Welcome to Kalpa Creations by Ruchita. Today we are going to make hummus. Hummus is a very easy to make and very forgiving recipe. You can make hummus very different types. So today I am sharing the type which I make usually. You can use hummus as a dip. You can use it in a salad as a salad dressing, or use it as a chutney with dosa, idli, and spread on sandwiches, bread, or in pita pockets, which is it is always used. So let us see how to make it. The ingredients which we need are boiled chickpeas. These chickpeas are soaked, boiled, and cooled down. You can use the canned chickpeas also. Just make sure you take out all the water, drain all the water, and then you can use them. I have soaked this and boiled in instant pot for 40 to 45 minutes, and then I have kept it to cool down in the fridge for 3 to 4 hours, and then we can use it. These are green chilies. Green chilies are less spicy, so I am using little more amount, but you can adjust it according to your taste. Some 4 to 5 garlic cloves, salt to taste, cumin seeds 1 teaspoon, tahini 1.5 tablespoon to 2 tablespoons. This tahini is a combination of roasted sesame seeds and olive oil. If you don't get tahini, then you can use roasted sesame seeds directly into your blender jar. Otherwise, you can find it into the Asian stores also. We need some oil, coriander leaves. This I am using stalks also, lemon juice. Let us start to make hummus. First of all, we will add all the ingredients into the blender jar. So here I have added boiled chickpeas, green chilies, garlic, salt, cumin seeds into the blender. Now let us pulse it so that the green chili, cumin seeds, and garlic will get crushed down. Here I am pulsing. You can make this in blender also or food processor. Food processor is very easy to make because it will not stuck. Just make sure in between you just mix it in this blender. So after every now and then I am taking out the lid and mixing it so that everything should get crushed down. I am pulsing so that I want some texture to my hummus. You can do one more thing, like don't add all the chickpeas at a time. Add half chickpeas with garlic and green chilies, and then you can blend it a lot, and later on you can add some more chickpeas so that we can get the texture. It will not be very smooth. Now I will add oil, coriander leaves, and tahini into the blender jar. Mix it well, and again I will blend it for 1 minute. Oil will give that smoothness to hummus which we need. If you are spreading it or using as a dip with vegetables, then it is good if we have smooth texture. That time you can totally blend it. You can see my blades are not that sharp, so I can blend them. and later on I will show you how its texture is. You can see very nice, good texture. Now let us add lemon juice. This is our last ingredient and it will give a nice taste to our hummus. Friends, this is a very easy recipe. Just make sure that whenever you are making hummus, the chickpeas must be cold, not totally hot or room temperature. If you are new to my channel, then please like, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you will get notified as soon as I upload my new video. If you like this video, then please share it with your family and friends.